Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Can you all hear me? Show me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Yes? Can you hear me? Please show me a thumbs up. Okay, that's good. So, we had planned an activity for Diwali, but I had to cancel it because of bad health. So I decided that we will be doing that drawing in the class, okay, so that you don't miss Diwali drawing. So today we are going to learn Diwali drawing. Okay, ready everyone? How many of you are excited for Diwali? First of all, tell me, are you waiting for Diwali? Yes. What do you like most about Diwali? Tell me. Tell me, what is that thing that you like most about Diwali? Yes. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, crackers.
Crackers. Okay. And what else? What else? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I will unmute you. Yes, Ria.
Sweets and crackers.
Sweets and crackers. Okay. And what else?
Crackers and
What else?
crackers and crackers. Crackers and sweets.
Okay. Okay. So,
Ma'am, what we are going to today's make? What we want?
Today we are going to make something very exciting about Diwali and about crackers only, because I know you all love crackers. You know what I love most about Diwali? You know what is that? Shopping. You don't wait for new clothes? I do wait for new clothes every year. And special Diwali shopping is my favorite. And also the lights. You have seen the light everywhere, na? It just makes you feel so positive. Golden light everywhere, wherever you go. It feels like marriage is happening all over. Hai na? So this is what I love about Diwali. So let's get started. We will be, how many of you have burned anar? You know what is anar? Yes? Show me a thumbs up if you know what is anar. Okay, so there is a young boy and his name is, what is the name of this boy? The name is Kittu. Okay, and he loves to burn crackers. So we will be drawing Kittu in this drawing and he's burning an anar. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I have taken a drawing copy which is kept vertical. Yes, Myra?
I like presents.
Presents, yes, even I do. Okay, so I have kept it vertical like this. Divyansh is telling about all the crackers we play. Okay, so I have kept it vertical and I will be using a circle of this size. Do you all have sellotape with you? If you don't have a circle of this size, you can rush to your kitchen and get it. Okay, you can get a plate or a katori, a bowl, a glass, anything that has this much big mouth. Okay, rush to your kitchen and get something like this. And to give you an idea of this, what is the size? It is little bigger than my bangle. Okay, little bigger than my bangle. Yes, we will not be using bangle, we will be using the bigger one. And what about rocket? You like rocket? Yes? Okay, so let us start. First of all, take this circle and you will keep it like this. Okay? Keep it here. This is in the second half. I will zoom it out a bit. Yes, now you should be able to see that where I have kept it. This is my complete drawing, and I have kept it in the center first and then I have shifted right side. Okay, and shift it little downwards. So this is the correct position, and now I will hold it with my left hand. I will pick up my pencil and I will draw the circle. Okay, draw the circle like this. You have to draw it nicely so that it will be a complete circle. You know, there is a fun story behind this drawing also, but I will be telling you that in next class. Okay, so you have to remember the name of the boy till then. Okay, and there is a surprise test, not surprise test, but there is a small thing that would be hidden inside this drawing. Okay, so you have to pick it up. Keep your mind open and tell me. Okay, when we will, as we will complete the drawing, you will have to point out that thing and tell me. Okay, yes, so this is the all done with the circle. Show me a thumbs up if you are done. Okay, now now take a point in the center this side, not in the center but little this side. Okay, I'll zoom it in. Yes. Okay, now we have the circle. I've taken a point here. Now I will draw two circles, 1 and 2. Taking this as center. Okay, I have drawn it to take it as the center and I will make two circles. Okay, and I will fill black color with my pencil inside. Yeah, sure, Shara. We will be asking you the next question. Okay, don't worry. Samhita, I didn't get your question. Okay, so now in the center, I will draw a U shape. Okay, done with this. Now I will take two dots. Okay, one dot this side and in front of this one dot this side. Okay, two dots, and now I will connect these two dots with a big U. I will connect it with a big U. So I'm making a big U very carefully and I'm doing it very slowly. If you see, I'm doing it very slowly. I'm not rushing. है ना? You also don't have to rush. Do it slowly. आराम से एकदम. Okay? When you're done, you have to show me a thumbs up, right? Okay. Complete the U. Okay, complete it, Abhijan. Yes. Now I will connect these two dots with a flat C. So I'll rotate my copy because it will be more convenient for me to draw, and I will draw a flat C. It will not touch the nose. This much distance should be there. And what you see, this is a big smile. This much big smile we have when we are burning crackers. है ना? Yes, you can do, but I'll suggest you to do it this side because the boy is looking upwards and this would fit the scene. Okay, done everyone? Everyone got this shape? If yes, show me a thumbs up. Okay, so now is the time to draw the teeth of the boy. Okay, completed. Completed. Few are showing thumbs down. I'll be waiting for a minute and then we will start. Okay. So this boy is actually looking at the sky. And he is so happy. Okay, now I will take two dots. 1 and 2. It is very close to it, not too far. Okay, 1 and 2. And I will make a line like this. Make a line like this. And how many of you like to do watercolors? Do you like to do watercolors? Yes? Okay. Okay. So now I will take two dots, 1 and 2 at the bottom of the mouth. Okay. Take two dots at the bottom of this mouth and now make a C again like this. Right? And okay, if you are done, show me a thumbs up, then I will move to next step. Okay. Now I will take two dots like this. Take two dots. Okay. And after taking two dots, you will make a 3. 3. Okay. So how you will make the 3? 1 and 2. This is the tongue of the boy. Okay. Make a 3. Right? Is everyone done till here? Yes? Okay. So now I will make C, the eyebrows of the boy. To make the eyebrows, I will make a C this side and a C this side. You know, when we are excited, we make the eyebrows really high. Can you all show me the face of being excited? Like the boy is smiling? Show me the smile like a boy. Wow, Vihan, Sharaf, and Chirel and Adisha, Adira, Yalini. Wonderful smiles you all are showing. Just Manya. Okay. So you must have noticed, you know, if you will make this face and go in front of the mirror, you will notice that your eyebrows are raising. And by changing the eyebrows, you know, we can change the expression. Okay. Everyone is done till here. Now I will make the ears of the boy. Okay. So to make this first ear, I will take a dot this side. Okay. Just below the nose. Take a dot this side and another dot just above the mouth. Okay. And now I will connect these 2 points with a C for cat. Connect them with a C for cat. And inside this, we will make one more C for cat. Okay. Everyone done with one ear? Show me a thumbs up if you are done with it. Okay. So now we will make the another ear. Okay. And to make this, again, I will take a dot just above. You know, this is the point. So I will take it one just above it and one below it. Okay. And I will make another C and one more C inside. Yes, Divyansh, you are visible. Okay. Everyone done with all the, not all, both the ears? Yes. Okay. So now we will make the hair of the boy. Okay. So to make the hair from the back of the ear, from this point, make a C. Okay. Make a C. Then make another C. Then another one. Again a C. Now we will slowly come close to the ear and connect it. So our boy has the hair now. Okay. When you're done with the hair, show me a thumbs up. Okay. Why so many students are not showing the thumbs up? You all have to show me. Okay. Yes. So let's move to the next step now. The next step is I will take two dots, 1 and 2. Two dots. Okay, like this. I've made it little more further. So I have taken two dots. One is just below this tongue and one is below this tongue. Okay, and now I will make a straight line this side and again a straight little curve line. This is not exactly straight, but little curve this side. Okay, equal. They will end at equal points, right? And now we will connect them like this. We made a line, then we made another line, and then we connected it. Okay. Now we will make the sleeves. Let us make the neck also. So to make the neck in the center, I will make a U, a small U. Now to make the sleeves, I will take a dot just below this. Here. And one more dot just below this. Okay. And I will make a straight line going this side and a straight line. First, I'll make it going this side and then I'll connect it like this. Pic is not coming. Okay, just a minute. It is not visible. Can you see my drawing, everyone? Show me a thumbs up if it is visible. Ma'am, can you please switch to speaker's view? Okay, so to make this, I made a straight line. I took two dots, 1 and 2. Then I made a straight line and another straight line coming to the equal points and then I connected it. Okay. After doing this, I made a neck making a C. And after this, I've taken a dot just below this. Then I made a straight line and then I connected it. Now I will make another sleeve, and to make this sleeve, I will make it go little upwards like this, and I will connect it again upwards. Okay, so now I have two sleeves. Done with the sleeves? Now I will make an 11 and it would be a long 11 coming from this side. Okay, so it will just above the sleeves, it will go like this and like this. An 11, or you can call it an is equal to also. Okay, now make a slanting line and a U at the end. This line would go straight and then it will form a U at the edge. Okay. Everyone done till here? Watch it very carefully and try to do it. Okay. Now I will make a C from this side going little upwards. Just very little. Okay. Now I will make this line. I will make a flat line like this. I made a C and then I made a flat line. And now I will connect this line with this line with a straight line. Okay, now we will make the fingers. So to make the fingers, we will simply make U. Okay, everyone done till here? Show me a thumbs up if you have done it. Okay, completed. If you are doing, completed. If you are not done, is it visible? Yes, okay. So now let us make the first finger. This finger would go little outwards. So I will make a U. Okay. And at this point, I will make a small U to make this small finger. Now we have to make two more fingers. So I will make a U which would be bigger than this. Okay. A U which would be bigger than this. So little longer. Make it little longer. You just have to understand, okay, how the composition of the hand goes. It is very easy to do. And now I will make a small finger which would be in between of these two. I will show you how, like this. Okay. So this is how we have completed with one hand. How many of you are able to do it? Have you done it? Okay, keep showing me thumbs up if you are done, okay, so that I can know about those who are done. Okay, same thing we will repeat this side. We will make an 11. So in from the center, I will make an 11 and this would be a curved 11. Okay, a curved line like this. This is the another hand and we will not make the hand of this kind. This side we will make another hand. Yes, Divyansh?
Ma'am, what is the line in between the fingers?
This line is this line. You know, we have this line and then fingers are coming out of it. So we have drawn it to make it easier. Okay? Because if you will show it, look it like at it like this, now you will find this line. So that is why we have made this line so that it becomes easier for everyone to draw. Okay, so now everyone done with this hand? Complete this hand and then I'll show you what we will be doing in in the next drawing. Okay, so in this one, I will be making a C. Make a C. And at the edge of this C, make a U. Okay. And now I will make another U like this, because it is holding something in its hand. Everyone done till here? Now I will make a straight line like this. Okay, when you're done till here, you all have to show me a thumbs up, right? Everyone done? He's holding a matchstick. Okay, he's holding a matchstick. Now, now we will draw the pants. Okay, so make a straight line from both the sides and make two lines. So this will be 2L from both the sides. Yes, a kind of fulchari or matchstick, you can consider it. Okay, and we will connect it with a V. We have made this kind of pants earlier also, है ना? Now I will make the legs. Everyone done with this? Now let us make the legs. Make 11 both the sides. Okay, nice 11, and make one U this side and one U this side. Yes, sure. Sure, can you raise your hand? Unmute yourself.
दिखा दीजिए full drawing.
Full drawing. Okay. This is the full drawing. Okay. Okay. So now we will make the rocket, right? Let us make the rocket. And to do that, I will take a point this side. First take a point above and then make a V. Okay, then make a V like this.
Ma'am, why don't we make the tip of the matchstick?
This is already the tip. We will be making it in the fire, na? This is this thing, and here
Okay,
we will be making the fire.
Ma'am, it is fulgari or matchstick?
I don't know. You can consider it fulgari also, but I have made it matchstick kind of thing. Okay, so that it will be having fire at the top. Okay, now let us connect these two dots, making a C. Now, after making this, everyone done with this shape? This is the full drawing. Yes. Now take two dots, one this side and one this side, and make straight line. Okay. 1 and 2. And now I will connect it with C again. Right? Like this. This is the full drawing. And now I will make the bottle. Okay, the bottle. So let's come to the bottom of the drawing, and here I will make a small bottle. So to make the bottle, I will make an 11. At the corner, make an 11 and make a C. Okay, and now make a C above also. I have made an 11. I will zoom it in. Zoom in at the bottle. This is the bottle. Okay, 11, C and C, and two slanting lines like this. Okay, and now I will make two straight lines and a C again. So here we have the bottle. Okay. Right. Now I will take the center and I'll make these two dots. Make these two dots, and take two dots in the bottle also, and I'll connect this dot with this dot. Voice is coming low. Is my voice coming low? Okay. Now I'll connect this dot with a C. Make a big flat C. Okay. And again I'll make a line parallel to this to make another C. Right? Is my voice clear now? Yes? Okay. Okay, everyone. So, how many of you are done till here? Everyone done? Okay. Now, can you please show me your drawing? I want to see your drawing once. What you all have done. Bring it close to the screen. Okay, very good. Very nice. You all have done nicely. Very good. Okay. Now, I will pick up the sketch pen and I will start doing the outline. Okay. I will be doing the outline of this drawing. So pick up your black sketch pen and let us start with the outline. Okay, I'm starting with the bottle. Okay, go very slow And how we do it? From left to right and from top to bottom. Okay, the rule of outlining. Spruha, are you doing? Spruha, show me your drawing. Okay. Okay, complete it. This would not be too thick. Okay, this would be very thin. Like I've done now. It's very close. Now make the eyes, and we will fill black color inside the eyes. Okay, the nose, the eyebrows, the tongue, keep making it like this. The eyes and the hair. In this drawing, we will be adding little bit of watercolor also. Okay, we will be doing watercolors. So in next class, be ready with your watercolors, everyone. Okay, and what we need extra along with watercolors, we will be needing cotton and earbuds. Okay, is that okay, everyone? Yes, be ready with watercolors. And any which is available at your home. I'm doing the body of the boy. We are not making background in this drawing. Why are we not making the background? Because we will be making sky and fireworks in the background. Okay, and that is the reason why we are not making any background, as we always do now. We always make a drawing with the background, right? And there is one more thing which is left. The thing which is left is writing Happy Diwali here. Okay, so we have to write Happy Diwali. So I will be writing Happy Diwali. Okay, and I'll be outlining that also. I will outline Happy Diwali as well. Right? And now those who are done with the outline can show me their drawings. Okay, because now it will be more clearly visible to me. And I'll show you my complete drawing. This is my complete drawing. Okay. and bring it close to the screen so that I can see. Wow, this is very nice. Few of you are showing me and you have done really well. That's very nice, everyone. Now, as we are done with the outline, after some time, we will pick up our eraser and start erasing extra lines. Okay. So I will erase all the extra lines. Okay, erase it. And this is how your final drawing should look. Okay, few of you are showing very good. Now you can show me your drawing. Very nice. So in next class, we will be completing this drawing. Okay, Kritika.
Ma'am, my drawing is actually I cannot. I rubbed it and I cannot. What we mean that I have brown sketch pen.
That's okay. Brown sketch pen is also fine. You can use that. Okay. Yes, Kritika, unmute yourself.
हेलो मैम
Yes.
मैम एक बार कृतिका को ये बोल दो कि आपने भी नाइसली बनाई है
Show me, Kritika. Show me your drawing. Wow, this is very nice.
मैंने बनाई है.
Okay, but it is very good. Whoever has done it, and you also have to try it. Okay. You also have to try it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shaurya, very good. Very nice. Srijan, Manan, Manisha. Many are showing me. And Lavanya, Jyoti, Jasmanya, Jayaraman, and Vanya, Sharav, Divyansh, Sanvi, Chirel, Abhijan, Pavika, Jaydev, Ritvik, Divyansh, and Sanvi, Vanya. Okay, the names are repeating. You all have done amazingly. Tanvi and Pravalika. Actually, it keeps changing. So, some names are repeating. Zivain. Few names are repeating and few names I'm not able to see. Ria. Very nice. You all have done amazing. Okay, Samhita, Elena, Banik, Yalini. Very nice. And Galaxy A20. Yes. First of all, you change your name. Rename yourself. Okay. What's your
Ma'am,
name?
Arshit Bajpayee.
Yes, you rename yourself. Okay.
Ma'am, when we do the color in this
We will
one?
we will do the color in next class. Okay, this is the drawing we will be doing in the activity also. We were planning to do it in activity as well. So this is the drawing. So that even if you all miss the activity, you will not miss the drawing.
None doubt.
Yes, yes. Okay. So how many of you enjoyed the drawing? Did you like the drawing and enjoyed it? Show me a thumbs up if you did. Yes? Okay, so are you ready for watercolors in the next class? Wow, Abhijan, very good. Very nice. Okay, so be ready to do the watercolors in the next class. No, we will be doing the same drawing and activity also. It is not planned yet. And that is the reason why I decided to pick up this drawing only. We will be doing this drawing only. For most probably we'll be doing this drawing. Okay, and you have done great. You all have done great. Very good. Okay, everyone. So I'll be winding up with the class. I hope you enjoyed. Did you enjoy making this boy? Okay. Okay, bye everyone. I'll be winding up with the class now. Bye bye. Take care.